Just a quick note that this is what I've been using most lately as a welding table. I liked the big plate that I had on top of the wooden table, but it was yeah, it was very bulky to move around, and water would get underneath, and I need to replace that wooden top on the table anyway. This I can take apart, put back inside the garage, and it's working out pretty well. It's just an old workmate with a piece of 1/4-inch plate that was already pre-cut that size. Picked it up at the scrapyard. Works pretty well. Also, I realized I hadn't finished putting this video together. This was done months ago, and I'm still waiting to make the tools to manipulate it, to lift it up. I want one tool that has hooks. We just drop down, pick up, and then we'll have a ring tool we'll set it into. That ring will lift up like that, and then that's what we'll use to pour. This is way too heavy for, you know, that barbecue tong thing like Grant Thompson used. You know, that's just not going to be an option. I wish I were a better welder. I keep trying. What can I do? But that's it for right now. And hoping to. Oh god, those are all full welds. I should have taken a grinder to that before I even put that on film. Anyway. I think I got some little pieces of steel that'll be suitable for making the tools, so we should be getting on that soon.